It's very stress-free to claim your TikTok artist profile through your distribution company. You know why? Because all those information we supposed stress to go they collect and submit directly to TikTok, you already deal with that your distribution company. So first of all, you don't distribute song with them. Them did with the artwork, they did with the artist name, the ISRC and all those information. You get the point. The only thing we just need to do now just to kind of log in and then just connect something with something and boom. So in this case now, like Distrokid now, if you come here now, click this thing, we get these 4 boxes, right? And then you will bring out this thing and then come down here, we say special access. Once you click on, you select this TikTok artist accounts. Once you click on PAM, you go carry you come here. You read all these things and then if you scroll down here, you can see where they go tell you to choose artist. So they tell you which artist you want claim, you want attach this thing to. We go stick to key songs. So select key songs and I click apply. The moment I click the apply, carry me go the next place. So now they ask you to log in into your TikTok. And as soon as you log in and do all those things, boom, waiting Distrokid go do now to collect that your song information. You know, say you don't distribute song with them first, Abby. They collect the song information and your username in this case, and then they send them to TikTok. So TikTok now go know say, okay, oh, this person, artist, where they post this thing on this page, now him distribute this song, and that in distribution company don't bring the information to us, so we will all merge them together. You get your point? As simple as that. So this one, you don't need to start to do screenshots, collect the screenshots for this place, and then that one look like manual. You get your point? So if your distribution company, they offer that particular service, then you feel use them. And if you don't see that feature for your distribution company, maybe for anywhere in the menu, maybe you will need to reach out to them as in whether they feel run that package. If they never fit, they never assign themselves to start to run them, then you will go through the other route. Now, one of the things where I believe say it could be issue with this particular method now, say some of us where they distribute some with different distribution companies, we feel get a little bit of issue. Take for instance now, I distribute song with Distrokid under key songs. Distrokid create key songs profile under TikTok, put them for there. Same thing, I distribute song with Amuse. Instead of Amuse to go find that key songs where Distrokid don't create already and put that song there, they can't create another, use that same key songs, create another profile. So for TikTok now, TikTok they see 2 different key songs, all because I use 2 different distribution companies. And maybe I can use another 3rd distribution company, they can't do the same thing. So now for TikTok server, you just see key songs here, key songs. All the profile will just scatter full everywhere. You get to the point. Now, in this case, if you can't claim the artist profile, like this thing we'll do now with Distrokid, you can't claim them. You honestly say, Distrokid go only fit send the information of songs where you distribute with them to TikTok. And now TikTok fee begin to assume say, maybe these key songs from our muse now just another key songs. Another person we no actually know say there was a key songs initially. Say sometimes some of us they answer the same name. You could just maybe Pablo. One Pablo don't day for America. You think say okay now you be the Nigerian Pablo. You know go come put anything in front. You know go put like maybe Mr. Pablo. You say go stay. You stick to the Pablo. Then another Ghanaian person Pablo. So you go just see Pablo everywhere. You understand? Different Pablos who, but now so they go treat them because obviously they come from different places. You get the point. So in this case, if Distrokid send only their information to TikTok and you now fall under the category of this Pablo thing where I explained, if I now say TikTok go only recognize the songs where come through Distrokid because that's the one where they at least they sure say okay Distrokid submits on behalf of the artist and they will just merge that one. Now the remaining of the songs where you distribute through Amuse and any other distribution company, no good they attached to that your TikTok profile. You understand? So even if you release song now, maybe more songs you can't release with Amuse now, go still they fall under that profile where Amuse creates instead of that unified one profile where they're supposed to merge everything together. You get the point. So this I feel I never experienced them. But I feel issues like this will happen because definitely there's no way we say different distribution companies create those artists and TikTok will automatically instantly merge all of them from their back end, all the names from their back end with assumption saying now one person. It is almost impossible because this is not what they always happen. Pablo, just as the example I use. You get the point. But if you fall under the category of person where you know say, okay, your artist name they very unique, and you and person know they drag them in, in any way, shape or form, then you get the point. So now here we go. This very matter for today. They wait for the comment session.